Hi everyone, I'm Alex. I would like to share with you guys one amazing app that you must have on your iOS devices right now. This app can be found in the App Store and it's completely free. I'll give you guys the direct link in the video description. You can go click the link and take you to the App Store, or you can go to the App Store, search for the Torabi FM. This app will let you play any songs that you have downloaded or that you downloaded inside of this app will play in the offline mode. Also let you play songs in the background, which is really cool. There are many features inside of this app, but the cool one is you can bring your media files from your cloud provider, example like Dropbox, G Drive. You can bring all those files to this app and you can play it from there. Just want to let you guys know, once you open the app, you might get some ads running around, but it's not too many ads. If you get annoying or something, you can pay $3 monthly charge, which is okay. As soon as you open the app, you will gonna get a ad pop up which is going to say continue to the app like this. You can see in the top loading. After 10 seconds, click continue. Now it's time for me to show you guys how you can actually download. So now go to the search bar in the bottom right. I'm gonna search non-copyright music. For you, you can search any songs that you want to download. Once you find the song that you want to download, click the three dots there and then click the option download. As soon as you click the download button, the 10-second ad will run. Also the song will be downloading in the background, which is really cool part. Once the ad disappear, it will pop up one more time like this and click X in the top. So see, you can see I have downloaded. So now I'm gonna put my phone in the airplane mode. So now you can see it's running. I can skip, I can play in the background, everything working fine without the internet connection. If this works for you and if it's helpful, please make sure to subscribe and follow for more. I'll see you guys very soon.